Hey guys, welcome back. It is me, the Vegan Kitty. I know it's been a long time, but I'm back. On the menu today, I will be preparing a Chinese chicken salad. Let's go over the ingredients. 3 cups of romaine lettuce, 2 cups of napa cabbage, half cup of green onions, a cup of julienned shredded carrots, 2 cups of red cabbage, a cup of mandarin oranges, a 1/3 cup of sliced almonds, a 1/3 cup of cilantro, 2 cups of shredded chicken, but I'm having plant-based chicken. And then you can garnish with sesame seeds. Goes into ginger-sesame dressing. And use a tablespoon of fresh grated ginger, 3 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of honey. This is a naturally flavored keto honey. This is a substitute honey. Vegan friendly. It's 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. And then you garnish with sesame seeds. So those are all the ingredients. Now, let's cook.